While scrolling through the streets of YouTube, you might have seen a lot of an advert-like picture on every videos of your favorite YouTuber, and you're wondering what exactly is this? What is this picture you see before you actually click into the video? What does this picture mean? What does it do? What is usefulness? And how do you create the picture? How do you insert it into your own video? How does it help your channel to grow better? How does it help your channel? These and many more are what we're going to be discussing in today's video. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, please stick around. My name is Moreni KJ. I talk about marketing, motivations, and a little bit of lifestyle. Stay tuned to my channel. Hey loves, it's your girl once again. You're welcome to my channel for today. Today, we're going to be talking about creating an attractive thumbnail. Exactly. But before we go into the video, I'm just going to give a quick shout out to a lovely brand that sent us some amazing t-shirts. As you can see, KG Talk Time. This was sent by Fit Casuals, just to help boost our presence online and to say thank you for some of the nuggets we are dropping here as it's helping our business grow on social media. So we are here saying thank you, Fit Casuals. You guys, please, you can shop also with Fit Casuals. Whatever, if you want to print anything, t-shirts, mugs for your event, whatsoever it is. So this is one of the free gifts I got from Fit Casuals. Okay. So going into the video of the day, talking about thumbnail. What exactly is a thumbnail? Thumbnail in simple, just to make it simple, is that first picture you see while you're scrolling through your YouTube, while you're scrolling through anyone's YouTube channel. That's for people that have it on their channel. Whenever you scroll, pictures like these, they are thumbnails. Now these are they are the ones that make you want to watch the video. Now, so if this thumbnail is well detailed with nice pictures, captions, and is attractive enough for you to say yes, you want to watch the video because of what you've seen, it's just like an invite to a party, right? So the invite will determine, do I want to go to this party? Do you get? So that's what the thumbnail is like. So creating an attractive thumbnail actually helps to boost your YouTube channel, because one of the things you're going to be using in thumbnail is going to be words, and if you use words that rank high, it's going to boost your videos. So these are the things we're going to be learning in today's video. The first thing we're going to be learning is how to create an attractive thumbnail. I've said this over and over. If you're a business owner and you don't own Canva by now, I'm not going to say you need beating, but go and download it now. So we are going to be opening Canva right now, and then I'll be showing you how to create an attractive thumbnail. But one thing I like to do when I'm creating an attractive thumbnail first is that I make a research on the kind of video I am creating, and then I see the videos that are ranking higher, and I try to pick at least 3 videos. Then I create a thumbnail that is as similar to this ones. Now, I'm not creating word for word. I'm not copying exactly what they're doing, but I'm trying to create a similar one so that my video also can rank higher. It can show that I'm also in that niche of those people. And then when people search for word based on that, then my videos also can be among, SEO can help me, my video to rank higher in that case, all right, by the search engine. Okay, so now let's go into creating the videos. Like I said, one of the first thing I like to do is to go to YouTube and make research on the kind of video I'm creating. So I go to YouTube and I search for that particular thing. My title of my video is creating an attractive thumbnail. So I search to check videos that are ranking high and that they have beautiful thumbnails that I can also, use as inspiration to make my own thumbnail. So as you can see, I'm checking all of the videos that rank high, and I'm checking the kind of thumbnails they are using in order to know which one I'm going to select. Now there is this particular one from Kelechi Mbimina. I love this lady so much. So I decided to use her thumbnail because I feel, okay, I can create something similar to this. Not exactly this. I just like the concept of having other thumbnails by the side as pictures. So once I'm done checking, I have my inspiration, then I'm heading to Canva where I create my design. Okay, so when you come to Canva, what you want to do to make your life easy is to just go to YouTube thumbnails. You can see it there on Canva. If it's not there, you just need to search for it, YouTube thumbnail, and then you see a lot of options that you can copy and you can use, recreate as your own particular designs. There are some options that are pro. That means you have to pay, and there are some that are free. So for the purpose of this training, I'm going to be making use of a free element here, and then we're going to convert it into our own thumbnail. There are different options for you to copy, and if you also want to start from scratch, you can do that as well. Now we pick our own option. All right, okay, so now we need to re-edit this into our own video. We are going to change the fonts. If we like, we can change the pictures. If we like, we can change the backgrounds, the type of fonts, the size, the color, everything that we need to change there in order to make our thumbnail look attractive. As you can see here, I'm changing the word, create an attractive thumbnail. And I'm also going to be editing some things in this particular picture in order to make it look like my own based on the inspiration that we got from the YouTuber Kelechi. Okay? So guys, watch along with me. One thing that I always tell all designers and all content creators is do not be rigid while you're designing. I mean, you might have had an inspiration before you started designing, but do not be rigid to that. As you can see, my inspiration was to add my picture, but as I was creating, I realized that, okay, this isn't looking like what I planned. Let me just, change this and just, include some frames and add some of my thumbnails just with the fonts of, the title of my video. This sometimes helps you because sometimes the inspiration you want to go ahead with might not look like it when you're done designing. So try to be creative. Do not, block your creative inspiration, like whatever you're getting your inspiration from, do not block it. Just, try new things and make sure that at the end of the day, whatever you're creating represents you, represents your brand, and is attractive enough, to make people want to watch your videos. All right. So as you can see, I keep tweaking, I keep checking, I keep thinking, what can I add? What can I remove? And here is what I am doing. As you can see here, I'm almost done getting, the right thumbnail by adding some old thumbnails into the picture in order for people to see through the words and through the images that, yes, this is the actual thing that they signed up for. I also decided to add in some arrows just to give it a life, like directing the video that, okay, this is a thumbnail and this is what we're talking about in the video. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm trying to make it small. And also, I decided also to add in some fonts, which you'll be seeing later, which is, I decided to write in the name of my channel. I would have added some YouTube sticker, but I felt it would be a waste of time and it would be too, like, the design will be too crowded. I don't want people to, because a thumbnail is something they see for just like 3 seconds into your video. I don't want it to be so crowded that they cannot read everything on it. So I don't want it to be too busy. And that, there you have it. We have the KG Talk Time, the name of my channel. We have the title of the video, and we have some images representing what I'm going to be talking about in the video. And that's what you call a good thumbnail. Okay. So I believe you'll be trying this out. Now we're done with Canva. We go ahead and save this particular picture and then, keep it in our gallery so that when we get into YouTube Studio, we can make use of it properly. Yes, this is a good thumbnail. Now that we are done creating the videos, how do you attach your thumbnail to your videos after you're done uploading? Now we're going to do that on the YouTube Studio. And on the YouTube Studio, this is the process. Now, this is the easiest process. You go into your YouTube studio and then you click on the video. Notice that you must have uploaded the particular video you want to add your thumbnail to. You click on the particular video you want to add the thumbnail. And as you can see on the screen, you see something on the upper part of that particular video. You see something like add picture on that video. You just click on it. You would have seen a plus sign where it will ask you to add picture. Then you click on it and then you select the particular picture you want to use for your thumbnail. You save it and then you are done. If you want to change it to even other pictures in the particular video, other picture frames in the particular video, you can do that as well. You click on save and then you're done. And that's how you've added, a new thumbnail. Now that's that on how to create an attractive thumbnail and also how to upload it to your video after uploading it on YouTube. Now, one beautiful thing about thumbnails is it grants your videos more views. Okay, it makes people want to watch your video more. If your thumbnail is attractive, people want to see what you're talking about. I mean, based on the words, the kind of images that you use. So it helps you to, do a lot of better things. So by now, I believe you have learned the importance of thumbnail and now you know why you should have thumbnail on every of your videos, right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this section. I'll see you in my next section. Bye.